Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best cordless hammer drill, the Skill HD 52782. Stay with us as we explore its features, pros, cons, and more. Let's get started. Product features: 3-in-1 multi-function capability. The Skill HD 52780 cordless hammer drill switches effortlessly between hammer, drill, and screwdriver modes. This 3-in-1 functionality ensures maximum efficiency and versatility for all your home improvement tasks. Adjustable speed settings. Control your performance with adjustable speed settings. High speed is perfect for quick drilling, while low speed provides increased torque for tougher jobs. This flexibility makes every project smoother and more precise. 1/2-inch keyless ratcheting chuck. Quick and easy bit changes are possible thanks to the 1/2-inch keyless ratcheting chuck with auto spindle lock. Spend less time setting up and more time working on your tasks, improving overall productivity. Advanced battery technology. Powered by a PWR Core 20 2.0 AH lithium battery, each cell is wrapped with cooling material to extend runtime by up to 25% and double battery lifespan. Enjoy longer working sessions without frequent recharges. Versatile material compatibility. Drill into wood, metal, and even concrete effortlessly. The Skill HD 52780 is designed for DIY enthusiasts tackling small repairs or larger renovation projects, providing power and reliability in one compact tool. User-friendly design. Lightweight, ergonomic design reduces fatigue during extended use. The cordless feature provides mobility, making it easy to handle tight spaces and varied project locations without being tethered by cords. Pros: 3-in-1 multi-function, adjustable speeds, keyless ratcheting chuck, long-lasting battery, lightweight and ergonomic, versatile from multiple materials. Ideal for both beginners and experienced DIYers. Cons: battery may take time to fully charge. Slightly larger than ultra-compact drills. Nonetheless, its power, functionality, and efficiency outweigh minor limitations. Final thoughts. The Skill HD 52780 cordless hammer drill is perfect for DIY home projects. Its multifunctionality, adjustable speed, reliable battery, and user-friendly design make it an indispensable tool for efficient, hassle-free work. Power through your projects with the Skill HD 5270802. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Tech Product and like this video to stay updated with the best DIY tools and cordless hammer drills.